Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video for the last week of assignments, the week of June 1st. There will be class next week still, in the sense that you have time to work on late assignments, but there will not be anything new next week. So this is the last new assignment that you're going to have is this week. So it'll be a short assignment. It's only 2 points. And then I have an additional extra credit assignment if you'd like to do so. That is entirely optional. All right. So first, I want to check back in with last week because not everybody contributed to this evolution discussion. So I just wanted to show you where it is if you had not submitted anything to that. So just to wrap up our 2 weeks of evolution, I know it was really brief, but I wanted to see what you learned. It looks like a lot of you got some good things out of it. We generally get the idea that organisms are not static, that we change. We change over millions, billions of years, little minute changes that eventually result in different kinds of species, result in us looking different, acting different, all these different things. Right? You will see evolution again if you're taking another biology class, especially biology 2. So this is not the end. All right, this week, in the week of June 1st, your assignment, the only assignment that you have is right here, final biology assignment, and then the extra credit is there as well. So if you click on that, have it open here, you'll see this. The assignment is pretty straightforward. It's a 2-point assignment where you must explain 4 concepts that you learned in biology throughout the entire year. Sorry, I was frozen there a little bit. Each of these 4 concepts must be from different chapters. So you can't do everything from just the stuff we learned on Khan Academy. We only did 2 chapters in distance learning, ecology and evolution, which means if you have to do 4 concepts that you learned, that you're going to have to pull from stuff you learned earlier in the year. So anything about cells that you learned, anything about photosynthesis, or what life is, or organic chemistry, mitosis, meiosis, all of those things, DNA. All right, we learned a lot of things this year. I'd like you to explain 4 concepts that you learned in your own words. You can be specific, you can be broad, you can take information we directly learned or something else you learned in class just by conversation with me or your friends, or something you learned on a Fun Fact Friday or through a project, something like that. Let's see if I can move myself. Maybe not. Okay, the other assignment. Oh, I guess I can move myself. Ooh. The other assignment to do is optional. Down here is an extra credit assignment. It is 3 points if you do the entire thing correctly. You're going to make another Fun Fact Friday. So this applies to everybody, whether you already made a Fun Fact Friday or not. You can make an additional one, or maybe it'll be your first one. So I want you to think of any question that you have about life science and find the answer. You will get full credit for providing me with a question and an answer in complete sentences in your own words, a picture or a video to accompany your answer, and provide me with the source that you found the information. I'd like you to try to investigate something that's a bit more creative here, something you're really interested in, because that is the goal, is to learn something that you're genuinely curious about, right? So you have until the end of the week to get these done, but really you have all of next week too, because next week is all for makeup work. So the other thing, when you submit everything for this week, or if you submit anything late from previous weeks, you don't need to let me know that you did late work. I will be double checking all the assignments for everybody by June 11th, which is the absolute due date for everything. All right, and I will have one more video to check in with you at the end. Again, if you want to check in with me about final grades, or you want to schedule an office hours or something, reach out to me with that. All right, I hope you're doing well, and that'll be the end of this video, and I will see you next week.